Do you believe me? It plays. Yes, it finally plays. And I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do that. Right now.
Hello, my name is XAPK, and today we'll show you how to get Rec Room on Android. Yes, it's 100% legit, and I'm gonna give you proof that it's running. If the team in Rec Room is watching this, please fix the not compatible on this device error now. So let's get into the tutorial right now, but first let's go to the computer and show what people usually think of it. So we're right here in the computer right now, so here's what they actually do. Go to APK, they go to an APK downloader, search for Rec Room, and typing in here. It's normal, right? Well, it's actually the wrong way. I actually found a new method. So going to the website apkcombo.com, which you might have seen it's auto-filled, and we're gonna type. You can go to the and paste on this one, then advanced options. File type with APKs, or you can do with APKs. No matter what you do, you'll see a OBB file. This is required. If you don't have this, you cannot go ahead and use Rec Room without just doing it black screened. So make sure you have your OBB file. Along with that, you'll need to have the APK combo installer. This is recommended for me, but you can have another method, and we'll get into the phone soon. But after you're done downloading it, you can create a. This is optional, but after I'm gonna go ahead and show the screen. Just wait. Now after that, there should be. I recommend packaging Rec Room like this, as I need to. It'll have everything you need to transfer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug in my smartphone. Now I'm gonna unlock my smartphone because it's a Samsung. As you can see, we got Galaxy Note 8. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna transfer these 3 files. I've already created a folder in my directory, so wait a sec. Wait for a while, and then we'll get into the smartphone later. Hi, it's me recording right now. So I was going to go ahead and tell you that it's optional to use a computer. You can download the APK combo installer, the APK file, and the OBB file right into your phone. No need for the computer. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, once it's done, you can unplug your smartphone now. Or you can double check, so make sure. Again, see, we have the Rec Room APK plus OBB, so we're going to unplug. And we're going to switch onto the display. Okay, so I'm here in my smartphone right now. So we're gonna go to My Files. And we're gonna go to our... we have our APK combo installer. As you might see, I've already have my APK combo installer already. So you install that app, and you open up APK combo installer. Click install. Now go to your recroom.apk file and select both its APK and the OBB file. Click OK. Now it's going to install. Just wait and be patient. You might see a screen like this, so click on install. As you can see, it's now installed, so we're going to click on open. Now, proof that this is not going to go so as planned. As you can see, we're going to click allow. Now, as you can see, you'll get a Google prompt. I'll go ahead and log in with my secondary account since I have tested this already. I'm going to show you a method on how to log in one account to another one. Now, as you can see, we're here on the screen, so select I have already account, and let's type in the username. So I'm just gonna type in my username right now. I have a password, so I'm gonna stop the recording right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pause since I don't want people to reveal my password. As you might have noticed, we don't have sound right now, but I can hear any sound. So if you didn't hear any sound in this video, don't worry. I just muted in here. So click on play. Now again, here it is. The proof that you've been guessing on. Will it play Rec Room? Now, as you can see, it's a use your phone and use your voice. So we're going to click on enable microphone, and then we'll enable microphone. As you can see, it runs. So I can go ahead and put on my screen, move. Might not sync in your device right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you a better. I am bit moving. See, we are piping the recording right now. It's a bit laggy because not because of my display. It's because I am using a recording through OBS. So sorry for that. And this is the same area where I did the intro and outro, but look at this. The location is a bit different. So that's how you record it. I'm gonna return back in Rec Room, and let's see how it is. Hello, I am back in the PC version. So that's it for this video. If you like that, hit like and subscribe and share this with your friends who want to play Rec Room on their Android phones. And if they have issues installing it. And speaking of issues, if you have any issues on that, put them in the comments below. And without further ado, see you next time. Bye.